A hyperextension gym machine takes center stage. Its sleek design and robust construction is a testament to its power. But its true strength lies in the transformation it can bring to your fitness journey. This machine, ladies and gentlemen, is a game changer. Imagine stepping onto the hyperextension gym machine. Feel the firm grip of the padded rollers against your ankles and the support of the large pad against your thighs. Adjust the height to ensure a snug fit. Now, with your body straight and your hands either crossed over your chest or behind your head, slowly lower your upper body down. Feel your back muscles stretch, your spine aligning, your core engaging. Hold this position for a moment, relishing the stretch. Then powerfully raise your body back up to the starting position. Repeat this movement, each repetition a testament to your strength and endurance. Add this machine to your fitness routine and you'll notice the change. Your lower back will grow stronger, your posture better, and your core muscles more defined. So in essence, the hyperextension gym machine is a tool of transformation. Step onto it, adjust it to your comfort, lower your body to engage your muscles and raise your body to strengthen them. A simple yet effective movement that can do wonders for your lower back, core and overall posture. Remember, consistency is key. The more you use the machine, the more you'll see and feel the benefits. So make the hyperextension gym machine a part of your regular workout routine and watch as your strength and physique evolve. In the world of fitness, every step counts, and the hyperextension gym machine is a step worth taking. It's not just a machine, it's a pathway to a stronger, healthier you. And with that, our journey with the hyperextension gym machine comes to a close. But remember, your journey is just beginning.